Hello guys, welcome to Spyro Tech 365. Today I am going to show you how to make a blurry background in Adobe Premiere Pro. First of all, we'll apply Gaussian blur into our footage. We'll apply this effect from the effects panel. After that, we'll create a mask around our object. And then we'll click Track Selected Mask Forward for selecting other frames mask around the object automatically. When the tracking has been done, we'll now see that the object mask has been properly done. For some frames, if it is not done properly, we'll modify this to select the object properly. It is a long process for moving object from the point where the masking is not done correctly. We'll correct this and click the mask forward button for making the process quickly. After that, we'll change the blurriness to 36% and change the mask feather and mask expansion parameter according to our need. Also, we need to check inverted option. We change the value of blurriness to 42% to blur more the background. Now we can see that the background has been blurred. It is not excellent though, but it will be good for our work. So that's it for today. If you think the content is useful for you, please like, comment and share this one. Do not forget to subscribe our channel to get more tips and tricks in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you.